Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices because a clean baseline prevents pairing errors. Make sure the Huawei Airpods are charged and the iPhone is unlocked. This allows immediate discovery. Once done, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. This is how the iPhone scans for new audio devices. If iOS needs an update, install it now because firmware mismatches can block connections. Keep the AirPods case near the phone and leave the AirPods in the case with the lid open to begin the pairing handshake. You now perform the interactive pairing step that creates the Bluetooth link. With the case open, press and hold the small rear pairing button until the indicator flashes. This forces the AirPods into discoverable mode. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, and watch other devices. Tap the specific Huawei AirPods name when it appears. Accept any pairing prompts and allow a few seconds for the secure key exchange to complete. Make sure audio output switches to the AirPods in Control Center if it doesn't switch automatically. You finish by confirming functionality and handling common failures. Play music and use a voice memo to verify both sound and microphone. Then in Bluetooth device options, set device type for optimized call quality. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone, move away from Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices, and remove old pairings that may conflict before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.